Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to buy Minecraft from G2G platform. So guys, what you have to do is just go to G2G platform and search in the search bar for Minecraft. As you can see here guys, after that what you have to do guys, wait, just search for Minecraft as you can see here, this game, and click this one option. And this make sure you have edition for PC. If you want to purchase from PC, you have this version global, just click this one. And after that, what you have to do guys, wait to loading this page and wait, click just buy now, option to buy now, and you will redirected to your secure payment page. After that guys, enter your this amount, $50 USD, and choose, if you have a point you can choose this point, and write your credit card here, your card number and your CVV and your name. And after that guys, click buy now and click buy ticking. It should be payable amount buy now. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Don't skip like and share this video for more content.